Alright, welcome to my first stream. I'm planning on recording every single session. I just recently opened up a Trade08 account. Deposited $3,000 and we'll see how far I could take this account. Plan on starting trading 2 contracts. And then, just accordingly, based on how I'm doing. I'm mainly recording my sessions because I saw a podcast about a trader that mentioned that that recording your day trades and then reviewing them is really beneficial, and I could see the benefits of it. Seeing a recorded session, especially if it's day trading. So that's why I am starting to recording my training sessions, so I could personally view them, and so I could also share to the world what I am doing. All right, let's see here. All right, so we got 2 minutes left till the market opens. I don't plan on trading the first 5 to 10 minutes, at least 5 to 10 minutes or so. Based on this chart, I'm leaning more towards the long side. But if it breaks certain levels, I might consider going short. But based on this chart, it's clearly long bias here. Just to give you an idea of my setup here, this is the sales print. I filtered it to 50. This is a 1 minute chart. All default settings. The only thing that I put on this chart is a VWAP and a 9 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. On this chart, I put a 200, 100, and a 50 period moving average. It's a 15 minute, it's a 1 hour chart. I just alternate between 1 hour 30 and 15 minutes on this chart here. So start off with 15 minutes here. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, there's a lot of trading activity here. Looks like it might go sideways for a little bit here. Let's see what happens. Got 20 seconds left before the market opens. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of chill out for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Economic calendar. Apparently there's only one thing. Jolts, 10 o'clock. Okay. And we're off. Okay. Make this chart a little bit bigger here. Yeah, they're battling this area here. I'm going to limit myself to 10 trades for the day. I only plan on trading from 9:30 to 12 o'clock at the latest. I'm just trading part-time. I have another job to attend to. But my plan is to trade anywhere between the hours of 9:30 to 12 o'clock every day. It's going to be a lot. I might end the session a lot before 12 o'clock. Usually around 11:30, maybe 11, depending on the situation. But yeah, generally from 9:30 to, I'd say 11:45, 12 o'clock, I'll end the session. Most likely at 11:30 I'll end the session. Alright. There's not. So 2 minutes has passed. Not much activity. I don't want to take too many unnecessary risks. Trading too early in the session here. Yes, I might miss some moves, but there's no point in taking unnecessary risks at this point. Yeah, it's a lot of activity at the 4062 level. This is the cumulative delta. I use this to give further confirmation to my trades. On the bottom left corner here. There's barely any movement here. I'm really tempted to go long here, but I don't know. It's a little bit shady here. All right. Yeah, there's gonna be not too much talking here. Not too much talking. Just concentrating here. Alright, so the 5-minute bar has completed. Here. Okay. Yeah, it's not much movement here. It's been a while since I've seen an open that didn't gyrate as much as it normally does. Really tight range starting off this open. Okay, oh wow. What is that? Look at that print. Okay. Look at these prints at 4060. Oh my goodness. Whoa. This is why it's the first few minutes, even though there wasn't much going on, it was really scary to pick a direction. I was leaning towards long, but stuff like this could happen. So that's, look at this delta. Look at this. Look at that huge dump. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I'm leaning more towards the short side now. We found a range now. Leaning more towards short, on the short side here. But I'm gonna wait for another 4 minutes here. I may completely change in the next 4 minutes my bias. I mean, generally it's never a good idea to short the the main trend, which is up. But but keep in mind that I'm a short-term trader. I'm only trading within the hours of 9:30 to 11:30, 12ish. So it doesn't really matter what the general direction is. It's just I'm just looking to just get a few ticks here and there. Okay, now you see now I'm shifting towards a long bias. Look at how quickly that could change my bias based on how this is acting here. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, this is now really bullish. Yeah. But this is, look at this move here. Yeah, that was really bullish. Oh wow. Things could quickly change. It's highly possible I may not make any trades today, you know. I don't want to force anything that I'm not too confident in. So I'm gonna just throw this recording into the trash. I don't make any trades. Alright. It bounced right off the 9 period moving average and the VWAP here. And there's a volume shelf here, or like a lot of volume in this area, which could bounce off of. So yeah, based on the price action, it's definitely, now I'm leaning more towards long, clearly. Based on this price action, based on where all the indicators are. I'm gonna just wait for a few minutes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Absolutely no reason to rush into anything. Alright, so I'm gonna put a limit here at let's see, let me buy at 46,250. Yeah, 6250, a limit order. Yeah, I'm gonna believe it. Cancel this order. Oh, it may never even reach there. Yeah, it's never gonna reach here, it looks like. Let me see here. Maybe I should get 63.75. Yeah, 63.75. Move it up there. Mm, 63.75. Yeah. Maybe I could move it up to 64. Yeah, missed the move. Yep. Yeah. I'll cancel this. Okay. is it? 455. Yes. I think I'm gonna get in. Oh. Oh, I don't know. Should I get in? I don't know. Yeah, it's a little bit shady. Oh, it's really bullish. Okay, now I'm gonna go long. I'll go along here. Oops. It's 575. Okay, I'm in. Okay. Oh. Whoa! Right when I got in, it just sold off. Wow. That's interesting. You know what? Okay. Aiming for 69. Yeah, 69-ish. Wow. 67. 69-ish. Yeah, 67-ish. 69. There we go. 67. You know what? I'm just gonna take my first profit of the day. My first trade of the day. I should have probably held more, but I just want to say that I got profit now. Now it's gonna be hard for me to re-enter now. Now in retrospect, but I just want to get my first profit for the day. Luckily, I didn't get shaken out from this move. This is probably, I'm going to look at this back at this recording, and chances are I'm going to say that I didn't hold long enough. So I'm going to most likely, I probably should have held longer, but I just wanted to say that I got my first profit in for the day. So there's my first profit in the books. Most likely I should have at least held to like 875 in retrospect. But see how this pans out here. I'm gonna start drawing trend lines here. This trend line right here, just like a channel here. I could easily break this channel here, easily. But it could potentially kind of fall back a little here too. We'll see what happens. Should have probably held a little bit longer though, to be honest with you. Yeah. Hindsight's 2020. Hindsight's 2020. Yep. Yeah. This when it was going down here, and then the first green candle came up, I went long around, I think it was around here, yeah, when it started trending upwards here. I think I was a little bit premature in taking profits here in retrospect. It's alright. One of my goals of recording, as I mentioned at the beginning of this recording, was that I need to start analyzing my trades, what I could do to improve. And so hopefully with these recordings it could help you viewing this as much as me viewing this. Alright, there's a reversal here. Whoa, look at this drop here. Yeah. I'm gonna wait till at least 10 o'clock now because of this report. I don't think it has much impact, but I just want to see how it reacts around that time. I don't see any good risk reward opportunities here. You know, I don't think this is a good time to buy. I mean, it is because it's like hovering right around the 9-period A moving average, but I could see it could easily drop and break this too. So I don't want to take too much of a risk right now. I want to set myself up for a much more higher probability trade. It's crazy how as soon as I entered, this thing dropped like crazy. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Okay, I think it's respecting this this trend line here, this channel. Think it's respecting it based on this price action. My style is I'm definitely gonna trade based off trend lines too and channels. I'm also gonna use obviously volume profile to guide my trades and moving averages to know the general direction of the trend there. Oh, this looks so much like a long here. Just go with my gut. I don't know. It's kind of shady because of this trend line, this channel here. So I'm not gonna take a high, iffy trade. I want to make sure there's so many indicators leading me to go forward with it. I don't want to take trades that what's called the confluence of indicators. I want to make sure that there's a lot of things working in my favor. This little channel line is has me a little bit concerning, so that's why I'm not going to make that trade, even though chances are it looks like it's going to go higher. But I could see how easily it could just slow down here or just drop from here too. So that's why I decided to not make the trade. My issue in the past was just jumping into many trades, just trading way too many times. In these sessions I plan on trading just 10 times max. I'm gonna put a max on the amount of times I trade. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, but I'm definitely not shorting in a situation like this. I'll tell you that much. It's either trade long or don't trade at all in a situation like this, because it's very strong if this breaks after the 9 minutes from now. I could easily see this breaking and hitting these highs here. 470. Easily see it going there. Yeah, this is a wow, very strong, very strong. Let's start drawing trend lines too, right here. That. Very, very strong. Very strong market. This tape is proving it with these big block trades as well as the delta. Very, very strong. Broke this channel here. Another bullish sign. In terms of this channel, I'm gonna stream. Record every single session, and at the end of the week, what I plan on doing is splice up, like pretty much get cuts of each trade that I make, and then put it in a weekly video of every single trade that I made. So what I plan on doing is after I make all these recordings, I plan on cutting pieces of these videos and like slicing them up weekly, so that it's more compact in a weekly into a weekly video. That's my plan. Remains to be seen whether or not I do that, but that's my plan ultimately. Yeah, very, very bullish. No reason to go into any short opportunities in situations like this. Absolutely no reason. It's either long or no trade. In the past, I would have FOMO'd and just bought this here, but I'm not gonna do that this time around. It's too risky. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely wait for another 5 minutes here. See how this report, the JOLTS report, what happens to the market after that report comes out. I doubt anything's gonna really happen, but just don't want to make any rash decisions here. Let's get a longer term chart while this is forming. Yeah, look at this, so bullish. No reason to be short in a market like this. Oh, Look at that. Look at that move. Absolutely bonkers. I also position a swing trade on the side with call options and put options. You may generally call options. So hopefully my calls are doing okay. It's really tech heavy. My call options. So even though the market's going up, it may not even be up, but we'll see. I want to just 100% put my focus into this session here. Not worry about that at all. I make no. I was thinking about swinging like a micro ES contract, one of those micro ES contracts, swinging it. But yeah, nah, it's a little bit too extended here. Second entry, don't know. Look at these sell prints. Look at this. Looks like profit taking. Let me see the level that we're at. Yeah, we're at a very crucial level here. Yeah. Alright, time to redraw these lines. Let's try another line here. Seems like a big level here. Right there. Seems like a big level here. This is just buy the dip market. It's buy if I bought every dip to the 9-period moving average, I would have been in profit. Buy. We got 30 seconds left. 30 seconds now until the report comes out. Let us see what happens here after that. Let us see. I might make this a short session. Short session. Not much happened. Yeah. Just chugging upwards. Chugging along. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna end the session here. Usually in like one-way markets, unless I bought it here and was holding, I would have, held. But at this point, this is my first trading session on this account. And plan on doing every single day. Every time I make a trade, if let's say tomorrow I see no trade opportunities, even though I have it recorded, I'm not going to post it up. I'm only going to post up videos after I make a trade. But at this juncture, I don't see any good trades coming up right now. So I'm going to end the stream. Nah, we'll give it another hour. We'll give it an hour. We'll give it another hour. Can't see any trades. In a market like this, boom, straight up, and it could potentially go down from here, but it's not going to be a good risk reward. Actually, the risk reward will be nice, but I'm not. Should end it. I mean, it's only 30 minutes into the session, and not seeing any opportunities here. Alright, I'm gonna end this session. Tomorrow's gonna be another full day. I'm gonna end this session here. Thanks for watching.